In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the meeting ID on Zoom. Whether you're hosting or joining a meeting, knowing how to retrieve your meeting ID is essential. Let's go through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Zoom's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in zoom.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to log it into your account. If you haven't already, enter your credentials to sign in. Don't worry if you can't recall your password, as Zoom offers a password recovery option to help you gain access quickly. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. You're going to want to select Settings from this list. This section is integral for customizing your Zoom experience to suit your needs. After you've entered the settings area, the next thing you'll need to do is focus on the sidebar on the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find several tabs, but we are interested in the Profile tab for this tutorial. Click on Profile, which will load a new page with detailed information regarding your Zoom account. On your profile page, you will see a host of information related to your account. What we're looking for specifically is the Meetings section. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for the details outlined under the meeting header. Here lies the crux of today's tutorial, your personal meeting ID. This ID is unique to you and is something you will share with participants to join your meetings. To actually view your meeting ID, you'll need to reveal it by clicking on a small eye icon adjacent to where your personal meeting ID is listed. This is a security feature to ensure your ID isn't visible at all times for your privacy. Once clicked, your meeting ID will appear, allowing you to copy or note it down as needed. This ID can now be shared with colleagues, friends, or family to join your meetings seamlessly. Remember, keeping your meeting ID private ensures that only the individuals you invite can access your Zoom sessions. Be cautious and only share your ID with trusted participants. And that's it. You've successfully found your Zoom meeting ID. This straightforward process is something you can quickly get the hang of. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher, or if you'd like to assist someone else in finding their meeting ID. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next Zoom experience that much smoother.